Discover a new level of luxury at Nelson Place Student Accommodation, nestled in the vibrant heart of Belfast. Nestled amidst the vibrant Belfast neighborhood, Nelson Place offers stylish and spacious private studios and ensuite apartments, each tailored to the needs of today's students. Each room is equipped with a comfortable bed, a study desk and chair, designated shelves, well-thought-out layouts, and ample storage spaces to keep your life organized. Enjoy complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi throughout your stay for seamless connectivity. On lazy weekends, unwind with a good book and coffee in the backyard or soak in the city's sunset's glow. For relaxation, head to the cinema room for movie nights with roommates or find peace in the serene library and study area when preparing for exams. As for location, Nelson Place is only a few blocks away from the Ulster University Belfast Campus and an easy commute to numerous prestigious campuses including Queen's University Belfast. Craving a culinary treat? Copy Restaurant, offering delightful Italian cuisine, is just an 8-minute walk away. Plus, with various transportation options close by, you'll save both time and money while exploring the unparalleled charm of Belfast. Experience the extraordinary lifestyle of Belfast with Nelson Place Student Accommodation. Book your apartment today at amberstudent.com.